Brad Williams, XL Prime. Insert a predefined suffix to number. What are we doing here? We are going to use a combination of this very long and what looks like a very sophisticated formula, but really it's just an if test. We're going to see logical test, value of true, and then value of false. Here we have numbers and we're going to add a suffix to them. 23rd, 24th, 10th, 11th. How do we do that? We have this if and mod. Mod is going to make sure this thing ends up readable. We're going to use an absolute, whatever number this is, we're going to make sure it's an absolute number. Mod 100 greater than 10. This is what this first number looks like under mod. We're just going to take absolute B5 minus 100 times integer B5 100. So we're going to force this to be a whole number. One way or another, we could put some decimals in there. If we do something like this, 23.456, what's going to happen? This thing's going to turn into something readable. 23.456. All we're asking is this greater than 10, check, and less than 14. And the question is no. So we're going to go here, we're going to go back here to this if, and saying value of true. It's not true. So then we're going to go over to value of false. What happens here? Look at mod ABS. So we have mod ABS and 10. 10 is our divisor. Plus 1. If we look at this number here, we're just going to capture this number here. Maybe we can look at it here. Mod, here's mod. Here we have 4, 5, 6. This is this mod ABS 510. Then we're going to add 1. We're going to roll that up to 6. This is what choose is going to do. It's going to look at this index. Index means find here. Here we're going to find the index number. Look at choose. Index a number between 1 and 254. So it chose 4.456 plus 1. That's 6. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What's the answer? RD. Okay, so where did I screw up here? We have mod ABS 510 plus 1 is 44.56. And this chose RD. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 23.456 ERD. It wouldn't be ERD, all right? That'd be insane. This would be, well, this should be, there should be a round here or an integer in this. Calculate, is there an integer? Here we have mod, and so it's going to be 23. Then if we use this calculation, we use this calculation here, it's going to be 4. It's going to be 4. This choose mod, this mod ABS 5 plus 1 is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, hit F9. Yeah, we're going to get a different number in here. Let's go up, fill up. And so we have 6. Here's 6, and then let's just test this. This number is not greater than 6, is it? We're going to have to go here. What's the false? This is going to be false. We have logical test and then value true, value false. Mod ABS 510 plus 1 is 7. So go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. TH, sixth. Let's find something like 13. 13? No, it's fine. Let's find 11. 11. Is there 11 in here? F9? 11? F9? So 11 will fit right here in that TH bracket. You can play around with this. This one's just one of those cute tutorials where, will you ever use it? I don't know, but now you know how to incorporate this choose function. I didn't explain the mechanics here. I want you to read this. And I didn't want to spend a lot of time going over this just because I shrugged my shoulders going, would I ever use this? No, but you might. Fred Williams, XL Prime.